Over the years, I've got very grumpy about cake tins because manufacturers keep changing the sizes. So here, at the Delia Online Cookery School, we've collaborated with a leading British bakeware company called Silverwood to create a complete and comprehensive range of tins. There are just 12 items in all. Because the quality is superb, they're going to last you a lifetime. These are classic sponge tins with loose bases. We use 18 cm diameter with 2 eggs and 20 cm for a larger 3-egg mixture. And our 4.5 cm depth will encourage the cake to rise. This is our standard loaf cake tin, and all our loaf cakes online can be made in this. This is an oblong tin, and I've had a problem finding one like this for years. But now, all the recipes that once included it can be made again. This is a Swiss roll tin, but once you put a liner in it, you can make deeper cakes as well. And these are muffin tins, but we also use them for our cupcakes and tartlets. These are flat baking sheets that have many uses outside cake making, but we use them for all our biscuits, cookies and scones. These are the deeper classic round cake tins, either 18 or 20 centimetres. They also have loose bases like the sponge tins and fit all our recipes. Lining a cake tin has never been easier. Measuring and cutting out liners for cake tins used to be so off-putting, but that's now all in the past. BakerGlide have allowed us to help to design this special range of liners to fit our tins. The beauty of them is they're reusable and can be rinsed and dried and used again and again. And more importantly than that, nothing, but nothing, ever sticks to them. Sponge tins only need a base liner, but for a deeper cake tin you need to put a base liner in, and for some cakes you need also a side liner. When it comes to oblongs, all you do is fold the corners over each other and you have the perfect fit in moments. For our Swiss roll tin, this again fits very neatly, and it also gives extra depth for other cakes. And no more biscuits sticking to the surface of your baking tray. With this, they just slide off when they're cooked. These pleated liners made of parchment mean you can store the cakes in them after cooking, which helps to keep them fresh and moist. Because of the high quality of these tins, they're not suitable for dishwashers, but see how very easy and quick it is to just rinse them clean in soapy water. And the liners are just wiped clean as well. Got any questions? Then join in one of our online web chats.